The previous video I did on cryptocurrency was showing how you could use this exchange feature inside of the Exodus wallet. It's very convenient and it's right there. And all you got to do is basically click a button. But you will be paying a little bit of extra for that service. So here today I'm going to trade 0.28 Bitcoin. And it says here on Exodus that I'll receive 118,000 and so many Digibyte if I click that button. But I also went over to Changelly. And I suggested this on a video a while back that you actually get a better exchange rate. So while the wallet Exodus would give me 118.7, well, 118,000 and extra Digibyte, here I'll get 127,000. So it's not much harder to use this tool than that tool. It's just a few extra addresses we'll have to paste in. So I'm going to go ahead and begin this process so you can see how to use Changelly. And we're going to find out if I have to even sign on or sign up. It might just allow me to do it directly from here. So basically here, I have to give it the wallet that I want my Digibyte to go to after I complete the transaction. So I'm going to put that in, I'm going to click this, and I'm going to go to the next step. Okay, so this is a summary of the transaction and the address I just pasted in, so I could confirm it. And then it says sign up to make a payment. So I'm going to have to send a Bitcoin payment to Changelly, and they do want me to sign up. And actually, it turns out I had an account with them. I just haven't used it in ages. So I'm just going to click the sign on over here, continue. That's it. Okay, so now I'm logged on. They tell you what your exchange fee is. And now we confirm that transaction. And then they're going to ask us to send our Bitcoin to them. So now I'm going to click copy on this address here, and it says send Bitcoin there. And this is again where you have to be careful not to send something else other than Bitcoin. So now I'm going to go back to Exodus here, and now I'm going to go to my Bitcoin wallet, and I'm going to click send, and I'm going to paste that address they just gave me. And what I usually do is just double verify here. Like it starts with 3, it ends with, and now I have to put in the amount. I think it was 0.28, yeah. The first time you use it, use a really small dollar amount just to test to make sure you know what you're doing. And click send. So now we just basically sit and wait a while. They're probably going to have 2 or 3 or maybe even 6 confirmations, I don't know, on the Bitcoin. And then they're going to send me my Digibyte. And that's how you trade Bitcoin for Digibyte. Pretty easy using Changelly. So I hope you found that helpful. I'll see you on the next video. If you're buying and selling cryptocurrencies and you don't know where the market's going next, I strongly recommend you check out To Know It. It's basically a Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency trend and forecasting service. We have weekly webinars, and Marius Landman is the chief analyst in Australia, and he gives us an outlook of what's going to be happening each and every week, so we get ideas of how we can better invest our own cryptocurrency funds. There'll be a link below this video to a blog page. It'll have 2 or 3 sample videos and tell you more about it. So check it out if you want to be more comfortable in your cryptocurrency investing. Page.